Landward.com, the online marketplace for agriculture.
We are on the road today in Styria, more precisely in the municipality of Fasselsberg, and visiting Markus Kaiser, the gentleman at my side. Hello, Markus. Hello. Markus, you are a part-time farmer? What exactly do you do?
Exactly. I do farming as a side job, mainly forestry on about 3 hectares. Then as a side job, I also have an agricultural machinery business where I sell agricultural and forestry machinery. And my main job is as an automotive expert.
We are visiting you today because you have submitted a do-it-yourself project to us.
Exactly. My do-it-yourself project is a forwarding trailer with approximately 5 tons of payload. I have a loading length of about 380 meters, a crane with a reach of 5 meters, and approximately a lifting capacity of 500 kilos at the 5 meters.
Now, there are quite a few skid trails on the market, some. What were your reasons for building it yourself?
The main reasons were actually the cost. I looked on the internet, and the farmer came, but everything is at least around 20,000, and that was definitely too much.
Okay, so your result in terms of price, where did you end up compared to that?
So I got all my materials, they are all recycled. I got the complete material directly from the scrapyard. Came to a cost point of about 800 euros, and in the course of this I was able to build environmentally friendly, sustainable and cost effective.
And the crane comes from your own range, I assume?
The crane comes from our own range, exactly.
How long did you build your forwarding trailer?
So the total time was about 2 months, but always on the side when I had time, and I estimate it would have been between 80 and 100 hours in total.
What are the technical highlights and special features of your project?
The technical highlights are I have hydraulic brakes, which means I can hydraulically brake the return carriage from the tractor, have hydraulic supports, and I can separate the crane from the return carriage without tools, and thus use the crane for the tractor drive assembly.
Okay, that sounds great. How long has it been in operation now and everything to your satisfaction?
So for 2 months now I have been operating the forwarding trailer. I am super satisfied. There are no teething troubles, and of course I have already tried and exhausted the weight of 5 tons.
So everything works perfectly? Thank you, Markus, for sending us your project at landward.com. Congratulations on the successful implementation. Yes, dear viewers, if you have also implemented a project, then take a look at the landward.com website. You will find there under My Projects the instructions for submission, and we look forward to your entries.